Home is where the heart is. Oftentimes, it is also considered as the culmination of one's hard work and perseverance. The home also echoes the kind of lifestyle one wishes to achieve. Envision your family enjoying the ambience of resort-style amenities and hotel-like lobbies. Imagine yourself coming home to a place where luxury and convenience are both within your reach. SM Development Corporation aims to offer more than just a cozy abode. They are striving to provide the superb lifestyle you and your family deserves. Above that, SMDC's concept of integrated living provides quick access to malls and major establishments. Their properties are also strategically close to major thoroughfares, which offers added ease and convenience to all their residents. Join me as we listen to a seafarer's story and how SMDC fulfilled his dream home and so much more.
Well, life as a seafarer, sometimes masaya, masarap, malungkot. Nung younger days, masaya kasi mahilig pa mag-pasyal-pasyal sa mga bagong tanawin sa ibang bansa. Pero nung once na may family na, doon na makakaranas ng kalungkutan. Pagka naiiwanan yung family, at lalo pa yung mga maliliit pa yung mga anak ko, hindi pa sila, siyempre pagka alis ko, umiiyak, ganyan. At yung wife ko rin, hindi rin nasanay-sanay yan. Every time na aalis ako, talagang umiiyak. So kami, hirap din namin umalis dahil mabigat sa aming kalooban. Pero pag pauwi naman kami, yun naman ang pinakamasayang part sa buhay namin. Usually, ang contract ko ngayon ay 6 months. 6 months sa on board and then vacation, 2 to 3 months vacation. Ang iniisip ko na lang ay para sa future ng family. Siyempre, sa aming profession, may maganda na advantage naman yung sweldo namin, yung kinikita namin. So, para sa future ng aking family. Ang mapapayo ka lang talaga sa kanila, dapat sana matuto sila mag-save at mag-invest. Madalas kami pumasyal sa SM Fairview na kita namin yung booth ng SMDC and then merong ahente nag-explain sa amin kung ano yung mga advantages, ano yung mga offer sa dito sa trees. At naisipan namin na since malapit din naman itong trees sa sa house namin, ang plan namin dito is gawin namin in the future for retirement. Siyempre, pag matanda na, hindi na namin kailangan malaking space. So, maganda rito na kompleto, may amenity, maganda may mga amenities, tapos malit na lang yung i-maintain namin na room space para sa amin mag-asawa. Dalawa yung anak namin at yung eldest is already 26 years old. She's taking medicine, third year proper. Yung son ko naman ay 23 years old. He's working already. Nagustuhan namin, katulad nito, maganda yung lobby, maganda yung merong mga facilities niya, merong magandang pool at in the future meron pa yatang mga basketball court, tennis. At ito, isa mismo yung setting niya na maraming mga trees. So, environmental, maganda para sa mata.
SMDC can make your star life dream a reality as they bring you closer to the life you deserve.